Sounds really good. Oh my god, dude, that's like perfect tone. It's not loud, like obnoxiously loud. It's just like a good tone. Thing's crazy. Super nice though.
Shit's smooth, huh?
Twin disc clutch, stock, I'm pretty sure. That's just hella loud. Yeah, it's smooth though, I like it. Super easy to drive. I feel like anyone can drive this car.
Fuck yeah. All those grandma and grandpas are breaking their necks.
For real. That's just hella loud.
The downshift sound clean, huh?
It's not obnoxious or nothing like that, for sure. What's up, guys? We are currently now on our way to see Abraham's Mach 1. It got a little refresh done, so we're gonna see what's up with it. It should look pretty good. It's very different though. Color-wise, it's nothing you really see on a Mustang specifically. So when we get there, we will show you. I can't get tired of that exhaust though. We'll show you guys when we get there what it's like. It's different. I'm telling you, it's different for sure. We'll catch you guys in a bit, but first I feel like we should do maybe a little baby pull for the vlog real quick. Hold up.
I actually like it.
It's fresh, yeah. I was expecting like
I
it.
like that it's semi-gloss too.
Yeah,
Like,
no, it's cool.
Yeah, it's freaking. Oh shit! Maybe I need to get a new reservoir.
I'm gonna blow the motor and shit.
New reservoir, because this is that shit. Your exhaust valve.
All right, guys. So there's the Mach swap, Terminator swap Mach. It looks pretty good. It's a lot different for sure. I like it. Definitely different. You never see this. Mainly you see it on Raptors, if anything. And we got the 99-01 Cobra bumper, which is rare. You know, you don't see that, and you still need the lip, and then it'll be all good. And then we got the beautiful 5.0 right here, and looks pretty good after a complete wash. And we got, of course, the GT500, looking great, and then the Mach that just got freshly wrapped. It's fresh, yeah? It's clean.
You should put the clear headlights on. This is it right here. I wrapped it into a Fox body.
Oh shit, Fox Money White?
Yeah.